Hey guys, it's Brandon and today we're at Art of Animation to show you the tour of our room.
Room 1503.
Building 1.
Building 1.
Car suite.
Car suite. Okay, so when we walk in, there is a table. What happens to this table?
Turns into a bed.
Turns into a bed. Okay.
And you have a little bathroom.
We have a bathroom here. Shower. Sorry, a bathtub. Toilet. Really nice sink area. We have the living room area.
Turns into a bed.
Turns into a bed. A TV, a little closet area. A lot of drawers. And a little kitchenette. Okay. Here's the main bedroom.
Another bathroom.
Another TV, more drawers, a window, the nightstand.
And I'm Dylan.
And here we have a shower. So the other bathroom has a bathtub and this one has a shower. So it's a really nice family suite. And I think that's it. Let's look at our view.
The first floor view.
We have a view of the Leaning Tower of Tires and the Cozy Cone Motel sign. Okay, Brandon, we're done, right?
Bye.